Welcome back, dear children. Let us begin with the next part, the parts of a tooth. My dear children, when you lost your tooth, do you remember how you used to look? Yes, of course, you looked like this. Yes or no? When you lost your tooth, you used to look like this. My dear children, have you seen your tooth when it broke off from your mouth? Have you seen? Yes, it would have looked like this. Yes or no? It might be looking like this. So, my dear children, the part of the tooth that you see from outside is called the crown. See here only the part of the tooth which can be seen from the outside. This part of the tooth is known as the crown. This part of the tooth, that means you can only see this part of the tooth from outside, which is known as the crown. But my dear children, there is a big part that you cannot see. Here you see there is only the crown is visible, but there is a big part which we cannot see, which lies inside the bone of the jaw, and it is called the root. Here the roots are present. This is the part of the tooth which lies deep inside the jawbone, and this is known as the root. Okay, a tooth may have 1, 2, 3 or more roots. Usually incisors, canines, premolars and premolars, they have 1 root. See here. Here, see. This is the root. Incisors have 1 root, whereas the molars, they have 2 roots. Okay, so this part of the tooth which you can see from outside is the crown, and the part which cannot be seen, that is the root. In between the crown and the root, the part is known as, in between this crown and the root, there is a small part which is known as the neck, Now, my dear children, when I will cut this tooth from between, just as you cut a cake, I will cut it from between. Then how it looks? It looks like this. Okay, when I cut the tooth from between, it looks like this. So a tooth, after being cut from between, it looks like this. See, here also the outer part of the tooth which is visible is known as the crown, and then the root of the tooth lies inside the jaw. This is the jawbone. Okay, and in between the crown and the root, neck is present. Okay, the crown of the tooth does a lot of hard work, biting, crushing and chewing of food. The crown of the tooth, they does a lot of hard work. You know very well, my dear children. They bite, they crush and they chew the food. Okay, so it needs to be protected because it does a lot of work, so it needs to be protected. They are protected by a hard, shiny substance which is covering the crown of the tooth, which is known as enamel. Enamel, they protects the crown. It is the hardest substance in the body. The white color of the tooth is only due to the enamel. I hope you have understood. Now, under the enamel के अंदर में, there is a hard bone like structure called dentine. Okay, just as we have bones inside a body, the bone supports a body. In the same way, there is a dentine which supports the whole tooth. Okay, it makes up the whole tooth. It is a bone like structure which basically makes up the whole tooth, and this bone like structure is known as the dentine. What is it known as? dentine. And then after that, my dear children, inside the dentine is something soft and flesh like, very soft and flesh like and pulp like, which is known as the pulp. The pulp has blood vessels and nerves. That is why, my dear children, when you lost your tooth when you were in class 2 and 3, your gums you might have seen that your gums might have been bleeding. Your gums might have been bleeding. Yes or no? It would have looked like this. See the bleeding gum. See, you can see here the blood. This child has lost the tooth and the gums are bleeding. So from where the bloods are coming out? The blood is coming out from this pulp cavity, from this pulp, because here blood vessels and nerves are there. Blood vessels are basically the tubes which carries the blood. It provides the blood supplied to the tooth. I hope you have understood. So my dear children, I will do till here only. Now in the next part, we will study about the care of the tooth decay, and avoiding the tooth decay. Thank you.